We need to open the door.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. We'll sit here and wait for your supervisor. You're violating my rights. You're about to violate my rights. Whoa.
Make sure you record everything, babe, okay?
Yes.
Make sure you record everything. So why are you searching me?
Because we can identify anybody in the car.
No, absolutely not. For what reason? I'm not driving. I'm not driving at all.
I understand.
So why are you searching me? Your scope of authority stops the driver. So my wife is recording you right now. So you know you're wrong. You know that. Yes. Go ahead and look at my wallet. I'm on probation. I'm not on any kind of. I'm not wanted for any kind of.
I'm moving to Apple Valley.
Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're witnessing yet another ridiculous display of power from the Hesperia Police Department, where an officer genuinely believes he has the authority to search, demand ID, and intimidate a passenger, all because the man dared to sit quietly in a car. And now, watch how their arrogance, their twisted understanding of the law, and their I do what I want attitude get completely exposed the moment this citizen stands up for his rights. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment sharing your thoughts on this shameless abuse of authority.
They think it's because they think I have a warrant. So it is.
Sit down, please.
What's going on, Porter? How you doing?
Good.
Okay. You were pulled over for lawful reason. Therefore,
I'm not driving.
Right. We have legal reason to identify everybody in the car.
No, you don't.
Okay.
Your scope of authority stops
No.
with the driver.
No, we can identify everybody in the car.
Here you go with this.
So
Can we get supervisor, please?
there's two ways. Yeah, he's
Supervisor.
wait. There's two
That's
ways.
fine. That's fine.
You can either give it to us, or we can
Give you what?
Your identification. We need to find out who you are
Why me?
because you're in the car.
I'm not driving.
I understand.
But what's the reason for me
Pull
to?
somebody over. We can identify anybody in the car.
No, you can't.
Yes.
You're wrong. I'll challenge you on that.
Okay.
148.G.
We need to open the door.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. We'll sit here and wait for your supervisor. But you're on the very wrong. You're violating my rights. You're about to violate my rights. Whoa.
Excuse me, sir, you're not allowed to do that.
Whoa.
Just keep your hands where I can
Okay,
see you.
babe, hold this. Hold this. That's fine. Okay.
I don't want to do anything. I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to for your kids.
That's fine. That's fine.
Step out of
That's
the
fine.
courtroom.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just keep your hands where I
That's
can see
fine. Babe, make sure you record.
I am.
you. That's fine. That's one you're not supposed to have, right?
No, absolutely
Nothing
not.
illegal?
Absolutely not.
You're not on probation, parole, nothing like that?
He literally just got off of work.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
fine.
like I don't consent to no search and no seizures or nothing like that. So if you can search me, that's fine. But
Okay,
do
you got
not-
your wallet right here, right?
yes, my wallet. Do not. No, absolutely not. I do not consent to any of that. That's fine.
You're not
I do not consent to any of that. No, that's fine. Well, oh, there you go. Obviously, so under what am I arrested for? What
You're
crime?
not under arrest. I just told you that.
No, but you're arresting me. You have handcuffs on me.
I'm gonna handcuff you just to make sure everybody's safe, so I don't get hurt. You don't get hurt, nothing like that.
No, but now, no, that's absolutely wrong. You're violating my rights right now. Babe, make sure you record everything, babe, okay?
Yes.
Make sure you record everything. Every single thing. Right on top in here. That's fine because you're already violating my rights. Right? Make sure he's going through my wallet. No, make sure you get the wallet. There's other stuff you need to get. There's other stuff.
What else
Because
is in there?
there's paperwork in there saying that I'm off of probation and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, so go ahead and get that.
That's fine. I just want to know who you are.
No, that's you're violating my rights right now. You're violating my rights. You know that.
I'm not violating your rights.
Yeah, because I'm not driving. So why are you searching me?
Because we can identify anybody in the car.
No, absolutely not. For what reason? I'm not driving. I'm not driving at all.
I understand.
So why are you searching me?
Because we can identify anybody in the car.
Absolutely not. No. I'm not driving. Your scope of authority stops the driver. So my wife is recording you right now. So
No,
everything
I
you're
see the
doing,
phone.
everything you're doing right now is being documented. So you know you're wrong.
No,
You
no,
know
no.
that. Yes. Your scope of authority stops with the driver.
Okay.
Right or not?
No, not right. But you're just gonna say the same
What's
thing
your name?
over
What's your name
and
and badge number?
over, so- What's that?
Name and badge number.
Deputy Taylor?
Please say it to the phone, please.
I'm talking to you, not
Badge number. Badge number, please. Badge number, please.
Badge number doesn't matter.
Is that what you say to the judge?
I've never given a judge a badge number.
Oh, is that right? Badge number, please. Name and badge number.
You're looking right at it.
Is that what you say to the judge? You tell the judge you're looking right at it? Is that what you say to the judge? 2282, babe. 2282. Go ahead and look at my wallet. I'm on probation. I'm not on any kind of. I'm not wanted for any kind of.
I
know.
I'm moving
So,
to Apple Valley.
Why are you?
I'm like,
Because you guys.
I'm moving to Apple Valley. I live in Hesperia. I'm like,
No.
I'm 6 months pregnant with him. Just trying to get home. Trying to get my babies home. I know. He had a at work. I don't know. Like,
And I know that.
oh my gosh. Like, this isn't cool at all. Like, I'm literally like, I can't answer that. Like, oh my god, this is the only thing I do right now.
You're violating my rights. You know that.
I've been
I'm in
doing
the
it.
passenger. I'm in the passenger. Right? Your scope of authority stops driver. Absolutely not. Okay, tell me what time do I get? Okay, so how do I do it? Is it stopping at every six? Is it stopping at every six? No, you cannot. No. In order for you to ID me, you have to suspect me of a crime, or either in a possible commit a crime. I'm in the middle of committing a crime, or I've already committed a crime. That's the only way you can ID me. Right now, you guys have violated my rights because I'm in a passenger seat with my wife and my kids, and you guys are IDing me and having handcuffed for what reason? No, that's my right though. That's my right to not identify myself to you guys unless I have committed a crime or you guys see me about to commit a crime, right? No. When you get pulled over, you can identify anybody in the car. No, you're wrong. You're wrong. And I'm willing and I will take the court. Look, the only reason, look. No.
Babe.
I am under arrest. What is this? What is this? For what crime? That's not a crime. What crime? For what? When you're not telling the truth. Huh? No. The only way I'm obstructing justice is if I do not identify myself if I committed a crime, right or not. If I'm in the middle of committing a crime, or if I committed a crime, then I have to legally identify myself. That's all I have to do.
Sit down.
Remember, it's happened to Dad before, okay? They just think that they're doing their job and they're just, okay?
I love Freddy with all my heart.
He loves you with all his heart. Don't cry.
He's not going to jail.
Okay.
I've seen this before.
First.
And there you have it, a perfect example of what happens when people who are given authority don't understand the law, or worse, understand it and choose to ignore it. From demanding ID for no reason, to digging through a wallet, to trying to bully a passenger into complying with unlawful orders. This is exactly what happens when some officers believe a badge gives them unlimited power. But unfortunately for them, citizens' rights don't magically disappear just because someone in uniform says so. If there hadn't been cameras rolling, this encounter could have gone very differently, and that's why we need to keep recording, keep speaking up, and keep exposing these abuses of authority. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next breakdown. Your support helps bring more of these truths to light.